Hello, this is Mark LeBlanc, and this is a do-it-yourself video. In this video, I will be giving you an overview of the equipment that you'll use. This is a TP-Link router. You'll most likely be receiving 2 of those. The Ethernet cable and power cord. You're going to hook that either to an ONT, optical network terminal, that is installed by your internet service provider, or you'll be hooking it up to a cable modem. This is one of the best values I've found in cable modems. It's a Netgear CM500. I've literally installed thousands of these with almost no problems. And this is your standard, or this is your 4K Fire Stick. There's also a standard HD version. It doesn't make a whole lot of a difference if you're not installing it on a TV larger than 50 inches.